Tired of dealing with stiff, wobbly, or worn-out metal drawer slides? What if I told you that you can craft your own wooden drawer slides that are smooth, durable, and easy to make, all with a few simple tools and materials? Today, I'm going to show you a foolproof trick to build and install your own wooden slides, saving you money while improving your furniture's functionality. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create wooden drawer slides from scratch, ensuring your cabinets, dressers, and nightstands work flawlessly. Let's jump right in. Before we dive into the build, let's talk about why wooden drawer slides are a game changer. If you've ever dealt with broken metal slides, you know they can be noisy, expensive to replace, and don't always fit vintage or handmade furniture. Wooden slides, on the other hand, are cost-effective, no need to buy expensive hardware, durable, can last as long as the furniture itself, customizable, you can build them to fit any drawer size, aesthetically pleasing, blends seamlessly into wooden furniture, smoother and quieter, no metal-on-metal friction. Now that you know why wooden slides are a great alternative, let's gather the tools and materials you'll need. You don't need a fancy workshop to create wooden drawer slides, just a few basic tools and some quality wood. Here's what you'll need. Materials: hardwood strips for the slides, maple, oak, or birch work best. Softwood or plywood strips for the runners. Screws and wood glue, beeswax or paraffin wax for smooth sliding. Tools: table saw or circular saw for precise cuts. Chisel and mallet for minor adjustments. Drill and countersink bit, clamps to hold pieces in place. Measuring tape and pencil. Sandpaper, 120 to 220 grit. Got everything ready? Let's start by measuring and cutting the wood for our slides. Every drawer is slightly different, so the first step is to measure your drawer and cabinet opening to ensure a perfect fit. Step-by-step process. Measure the drawer width and cabinet opening. Leave about 1/16 inch clearance on each side. Mark and cut 2 hardwood strips for the slides, one for each side of the drawer. These should be about 3/4 inches thick and slightly shorter than the depth of the drawer. Cut 2 softwood or plywood strips for the runners inside the cabinet. These will hold the slides in place. Sand all pieces to remove rough edges. Once you have your slides and runners cut, it's time to assemble them. Now, we'll attach the slides to the drawer itself. These will guide the drawer smoothly along the runners inside the cabinet. Step-by-step guide. Position. The hardwood slides along each drawer side, ensuring they're flush with the bottom. Apply wood glue to the back of each slide for extra hold. Clamp the slides in place and drill pilot holes to prevent splitting. Secure with screws, one near the front, middle, and back. Let the glue dry for at least an hour before testing. Perfect. Now let's install the runners inside the cabinet. The runners will support the slides and guide the drawer in and out smoothly. Steps for installing the runners. Mark the runner placement inside the cabinet using the drawer's height as a reference. Apply wood glue along the length of each runner. Clamp and screw the runners into place, making sure they're level. Test fit the drawer to ensure smooth sliding. If the drawer feels too tight, sand the edges lightly. If it's too loose, adjust the runners slightly inward. For an ultra-smooth glide, let's add some finishing touches. Pro tips for smoother sliding: rub beeswax or paraffin wax on the slides and runners. Use fine grit sandpaper to remove any rough spots. If needed, add a small felt pad at the back to prevent drawer slamming. That's it. A perfectly smooth wooden drawer slide, DIY style. And there you have it. A custom wooden drawer slide that's durable, smooth, and easy to make at home. No more dealing with broken metal slides or expensive replacements. What do you think? Would you try this on your next project? Let me know in the comments. Like and share if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more woodworking hacks and DIY projects. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new build. Thanks for watching and happy woodworking.